Hi there, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and in today's tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a welcome voice message for your number. The welcome voice message feature lets you create custom audio greeting that plays automatically when someone calls your Calilio number. It's a simple way to make your business sound professional and friendly. Now here is how to input your welcome voice message. First, click on the drop down arrow beside numbers and then click on the three dots beside one of your number. Then hit number setting. Once on this page, scroll down to find the welcome voice message section. Toggle on the feature here. After that, click on the select audio button. Here you will see two options. You can either record a sound at the spot for your voice message or select a sound from your computer. Pick the option that suits your preferences the most. Once you have uploaded an audio, you can listen to it right away by clicking on this play button. You can also manage the volume of your voicemail and also download it by clicking on this button. And that's it for the welcome voice message. After saving, your welcome voice message will automatically play whenever someone calls that number, ensuring a polished and personalized caller experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a welcome voice message in Calilio. For more tips or help, reach out to our 24/7 Calilio support team via the live chat box. Thanks for watching.